Welcome to the Island of Dragons. This isn't Jurassic Park. This is Indonesia, and this is the largest lizard on Earth. Meet the Komodo Dragon, the Poison King. It smells you with its tongue from 4 kilometers away. Build analysis, max venom, burst speed, special armor, osteoderms, chainmail skin. Survival rate, 70%. If you survive childhood, you are the apex predator. Nothing hunts you. Level 1, the Ninja. You spawn in a tree. Why? Because the ground is lava. Danger number 1, your parents. Komodo dragons are cannibals. Adults eat babies, so you hide in the penthouse. You grind XP by eating insects and lizards. Once you're big enough, you descend. Level 2, the Ghost. You hit the ground. Your camouflage is perfect for dry grass. You look slow, but you have a turbo boost. 0 to 20 kilometers an hour in a split second. The attack style? Hit and run. You don't need to kill them instantly. You just need to tag them. Mythbuster? It's not just dirty bacteria. You have venom glands. You inject blood-thinning toxins. The prey escapes? Do you chase? No. You are the lazy king. You wait. You apply the status effect, bleeding and shock. The venom prevents clotting. The prey will faint soon. You follow the scent of death. It might take hours or days, but you have patience. Game over for the deer. Dinner served. Level 3, the Tank. Target, water buffalo. It weighs 1 ton. You weigh 90 kilograms? Impossible. Strategy, hamstring. You slice the tendons. You take away its mobility. The buffalo runs to water. Big mistake. The dirty water accelerates the infection. Double damage. You are not alone. Other players smell the blood. It becomes a co-op mission. The feast begins. An adult can eat 80% of its body weight in 1 meal. But what if you were stranded on an island alone? No mate? Game over. Nope. You activate a cheat code. Parthenogenesis. Virgin birth. You can fertilize your own eggs. You clone yourself. You create your own colony. Fun fact, all the fatherless babies will be male. Nature is weird. You are the closest thing we have to a living dinosaur, the T-Rex of the modern age. Humans visit you. They take selfies. You tolerate them, mostly. But never forget, you are a wild monster. Disrespect the distance, and you get the venom. Your stomach expands. You swallow food whole. No chewing needed. Final score, 70% survival. You are the king of the island, the toxic assassin. Next episode, the Legion or the Glass Cannon? Army ant or mosquito? Vote now. Gravity is your only enemy. Subscribe or get poisoned.